I became profitable using these three price action concepts. The first thing here is to do my top-down analysis from the daily time frame down to my entry time frame. This is the daily time frame on the Nasdaq market. As you can see on this, if you look at what happened here now, you can see that the market is on a bearish move, right? Not just on a bearish move, the market is giving us a series of what? Lower lows here and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Then now we're having another lower lows. Now the Nasdaq market is on a bearish move. That is telling us that we should only be looking to sell. All right, so now let's start doing our analysis right now. If you can see here, we have a support zone there around that level. You come to setting, you come to testing, you identify which is our daily support, which is where we would expect the market to be heading to. And as you can see here, we still have a resistance here. So my main reason for going to the daily time frame is to do my top-down analysis, all right, to mark up my key levels and find the direction of the market, which is where the market is heading to as at that moment, all right. So I'll be marking my key levels now, and that is another daily support, all right. So now let's check, do we have any other zones here or key levels here? No, we don't have no more. So we'll be going down to our 1 hour time frame. And this is how I do my analysis, guys. This is how I do my analysis. From this video, you should learn how to do your analysis, and you should also know how I do my own top-down analysis, all right. So if you can see here, this is another key level. All right, that was a resistance. I'll just come there and rename it. Let me identify it right now. Setting the H4 time frame. H4. I'll identify it there. All right. So heading down to this level right now, what do we still have here? We'll have another zone here, which is another resistance, a support that was broken, turned into a resistance here. And right now, H4. All right, that is our H4 zones there. So guys, you can see that it is very, very clear, and this is how we do our top-down analysis. All right, so this will take me to my 1 hour time frame. Now to my 1 hour time frame now, I'll be going down to my 1 hour time frame to mark my key levels. All right, just like this. This is another resistance here. All right, now I told you we should only be looking to sell. All right, whenever the market is on a bearish move, we should only be looking to sell, so that the market, we won't find the market hitting us, hitting our stop loss. All right, anyhow, you get. So now the second concept here is to wait and wait and wait and wait until the market pull back to your point of interest. After the market pull back to my point of interest, I must confirm that it's a pure break and retest. What do I mean by market pulling back to my point of interest? So let me show you guys an example right now. Let's say we have the market going to the upside, giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs here. All right, so right now these higher highs here, which is our recent resistance, is our point of interest. All right, I'll be waiting for the market to drop from that level, pull back, turn our resistance into a support. The only way I can look to sell this market is when this market pull back just like this to this support level of this 4 hour support level 19,900, around this level, then I can look to sell. Do I just sell from there? No, I'll go down to my 15-minute time frame or my 5-minute time frame, just like this. But in this case, we'll be staying on the 15-minute time frame, all right, which is after the pullback is confirmed on the 4 hour time frame. Then what we can look to short, just like this. From this level, we can look to short from this level, stop loss here, and my next TP will be here. So with this strategy, guys, with this strategy I'm using now, you can use this strategy to pass your proprietary fund in just one trade, all right, or in just 2 trades if you can hold. You can see 50 points just like this, and this is 1 to 10 risk reward. So guys, this was the 3-step price action strategy that made me a profitable trader. This was the concept I was using to become a profitable trader. So before we end this video, guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm giving access to traders to get our ebook for just $10 so that they can get access to our mentorship program, all right, our 3-month mentorship program. The offer is ending on the 31st of July. As at the time of recording this video, the offer is ending tomorrow, all right, which is 31st of July. So anything from 1st of August, our real mentorship or our normal mentorship will be live, all right. Our normal mentorship will be live. So if you want our normal mentorship, so you can apply for that. If you want the ebook, then you can apply from today down to on the 31st of August, but on the 31st of this month, right? But anything above August or 1st of August, you'll be getting our normal mentorship. If you like this video, guys, I want you to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Then turn on your post notification to get notified whenever I drop a video. Peace.